Hello, fellow food trippers! Today, we are dining at the elegant Kingsford Cafe inside Kingsford Hotel Manila, a modern 4-star hotel in Bagong Nayong Filipino Entertainment City, Parañaque, Metro Manila. Come and join us as we explore the flavors of Kingsford Cafe, where comfort food meets Asian and Filipino favorites in a relaxing hotel ambience. From refreshing drinks to flavorful appetizers, hearty main dishes, and sweet desserts, this food trip is packed with delicious discoveries you will surely enjoy. Kingsford Cafe offers a cozy and stylish dining experience, perfect for families, friends, and food lovers, for satisfying traditional Filipino meals with a slight twist and Asian comfort dishes. The cafe combines modern hotel elegance with warm hospitality, creating a relaxing atmosphere for casual dining and special occasions. We started with refreshing beverages, perfect for Manila's warm weather. The tropical flavors of fresh watermelon and ripe mango shakes were incredibly refreshing. The chilled Calamansi Juice delivered that classic Filipino citrus flavor with the right balance of sweetness and tanginess. For appetizers, we enjoyed crispy, flavorful samosas with their delicious, savory filling wrapped in crunchy pastry and served with yogurt and tamarind sauce. As our starters, the shrimp pomelo salad was light and refreshing. The citrus flavors of pomelo pulp, fresh seafood, and mixed young salad greens mesclun served in perfect harmony with honey patis dressing. The blackened chicken and shrimp salad added a touch of elegance with the chicken's grilled Cajun flavor, served over the soft texture and complex flavors of mesclun salad, beautifully balanced by tamarind dressing. Next came the comforting pasta and sandwich selections. The sausage bacon ciabatta featured crispy bacon and flavorful fillings inside freshly baked bread, served with potato wedges. The salted egg pasta was creamy, rich, and packed with that distinct savory salted egg flavor that many Filipinos love, elevated with smoked bangus flakes, crab roe, and pomodoro sauce. One of the highlights of our food trip was exploring the cafe's signature specialties. Kingsford Cafe serves hearty Filipino favorites that truly satisfy the appetite. For our mains, we opted for Sisig Itum and Kare-Kareng Bagnet, the cafe's trademark dishes. The Sisig Itum delivers bold flavors with its unique activated coconut cold dark presentation and sizzling goodness. And the Kare-Kareng Bagnet gave the beloved Kare-Kare a delicious twist by adding crispy fried pork belly for a luxurious, mouth-watering flavor. We also tried their crowd favorite dishes such as the Pianggang Chicken, braised in turmeric, coconut milk, and ground burnt coconut. Showcase Southern Filipino-inspired flavors with smoky, savory chicken paired with fragrant coriander rice. The seafood kare-kare combines fresh mixed seafood in golden rich peanut sauce and annatto oil. Serve with the Pinoy bagoong alamang. Their sinigang na salmon featured a warm, savory sour broth paired with tender pan-fried salmon fillets, salmon belly, and pressed vegetables. The Asian favorite, Kingsford Laksa, comes in creamy shrimp-based broth that delivers a comforting, spicy, flavorful seafood broth. It has strong mushrooms that add to its umami goodness and with crispy Mika noodles that make every bite satisfying. The beef Shank Blimey has a tender, flavorful, and slow-cooked meat texture. The marrow in the bone adds up to its rich, comforting pea broth sauce. And of course, the crispy pata impressed us with its crunchy skin and juicy meat. The crispy fried pork shank is served with achara, smoked liver sauce, and canto sauce for a classic and authentic Filipino flavor. To end our wonderful food trip with a little extra joy, we cap our meal with coffee and cakes, the perfect way to relax after a flavorful feast. The combination of rich coffee and sweet desserts, burnt cheesecake, carrot cake, and moist chocolate cake completed our dining experience beautifully. Our lunch experience at Kingsford Cafe was truly enjoyable. From refreshing drinks and appetizers to comforting signature Filipino specialties and Asian favorites. If you love hotel dining experiences with a wide variety of delicious food selections, Kingsford Cafe is definitely worth a visit. For inquiries and dining reservations, call 28-888-6388 to ensure everyone has a seat at the table. Thank you for joining us on this food trip. Please like, share, and subscribe for more restaurant adventures, food discoveries, and travel experiences. See you at our next food trip.